Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Purnima S. Bhatt. I am studying in engineering first sem with data science stream. Today's my course is mathematics for CSC stream. In that my topic is polar curves and the coordinates. We will move on to the first slide. In that introduction to the polar curves and the coordinates, polar coordinates are the systems that uses the distance and angle to locate the points in a plane. Polar curves are the mathematical representation of the relationships between the distance and the angles. Polar coordinates are often used to describe the circular or the symmetric shapes. In this following picture, we can see the polar coordinate systems. That is, polar points are the written in the form of r, theta, and we can think of theta as an angle between the initial side of the polar axis and the terminal side of the theta, degrees or the radians. Then we will move on to the next slide. In that we can see the conversion between the polar and the Cartesian coordinates. Polar coordinates can be converted into Cartesian coordinates using the formulas. That formula is x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. In this picture we can see the convert between the rectangular and the polar coordinates. That is, rectangular coordinates are x comma y and polar coordinates are r theta. Conversion from the rectangular to the polar coordinates, that is, r is equal to the square root of x cube plus y square, theta equal to the tan inverse of y by x, and convert from rectangular to polar coordinates, that is, x is equal to r cos theta and r is equal to and y is equal to r sin theta. And then graphing of the polar curves. To graph a polar curve, plot points using the polar coordinates, that is r comma theta. The angle theta represents the direction in which the point is located. The direction or the distance r represents the distance from the origin to the point. In this following picture we can see the distance from the origin to the point. We will move on to the next slide, that is symmetry in the polar curves. Many polar curves exhibit the symmetry about the polar axis, the pole or the both. Symmetry about the polar axis occurs when replacing theta with theta results in the same curve. Symmetry about the pole occurs when replacing r with the r results in the same curve. And then in this slide we can see the common polar curves. What are the common polar curves? The polar curves are r is equal to a plus b into cos theta represents a cardioid shape. The polar curve r is equal to a. In this picture we can see the cardioid shape of the polar curve. We will move on to the next slide, that is Lima cones and the lemniscates. That is, the polar curve r equal to the a plus b cos theta represents a Lima cone shape. The polar curve r to the power 2 equal to the a to the power 2 or r square equal to the a square. In this picture we can see the Lima cones and the lemniscates. In this first picture we can see r square equal to the a square into cos 2 theta, and in this picture r square equal to the a square cos 2 theta, and in this picture r square equal to the a square sin 2 theta, and in the last picture we can see that r square equal to the a square sin 2 theta. We will move on to the next slide. In that, the polar equations of the lines. A line in the polar coordinates can be represented by the equation r equal to a and sec theta minus alpha, where a is the distance from the origin to the line and alpha is the angle between the line makes with the polar axis. This equation allows for the representation of lines in the polar coordinates. In this picture, polar to rectangular coordinates. If P is a point with the polar coordinates x, y of P are given by x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta, and r square equal to the x square plus y square, where r is the hypotenuse and the x and y are the corresponding sides to the triangle. In this triangle r is the hypotenuse and the x is the adjacent and y is the opposite side. Plug the values of r and theta into the x and y equations to find the values of the rectangular coordinates, and we will move on to next slide, that is polar equations of conic sections. The polar equation equal to r equal to a, that is 1 plus e cos theta, and r equal to a. Conic sections in the polar coordinates, graphing a conic section in the polar coordinates. In this picture, r is equal to the 3 divided by 1 minus half sine theta, that become r equal to 6 divided by 2 minus sine theta into half, and in this picture it shows that we can multiply with also half, that become r equal to the e into d divided by 1 minus e sine theta. In the ellipse, e is equal to the half, r equal to 3 divided by 1 minus half sine 2 theta, and that become r is equal to 3 divided by 1 minus half sine 90 degree, and r equal to 3 divided by 1 minus half sine 180 degree, that become 3 divided by 1. Next, r is equal to 3 divided by 1 minus half sine 270 degree, that become answer is 2. Then we will move on to next slide, that is area and arc length in the polar coordinates. The area enclosed by a polar curve can be found using the formula a is equal to 1 by 2 into integration of r square into d theta. The arc length of the polar curve can be found using the formula L equal to the integration of square root of r square plus dr divided by d theta into or to the power of 2 into d theta. And then applications of the polar curves and the coordinates. Polar coordinates are commonly used in the physics, particularly in the describing circular motion and electromagnetic fields. The polar curves can be used in the model various real-world phenomena such as the shape of a flower petal or the orbit of a planet. Understanding the polar coordinates and the polar curves is essential for advanced in the mathematical analysis and the modeling. Polar coordinates, another popular coordinate system along with the cylindrical and spherical shapes, and x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta, tan theta equal to the y by x, and r equal to the square root of x square plus y square. And finally, polar curves and the coordinates provide a powerful mathematical tool for representing and analyzing the circular and the symmetrical shapes. Conversion between the polar and Cartesian coordinates allows for easy transformation and the analysis of the curves. The study of polar curves and the coordinates has numerous applications in the physics, engineering, and also in the other scientific fields. Thank you everyone. Please do like, subscribe and share, and please watch my videos.